Marine, can I really own a beachfront home in Dubai with $13,500?
Absolutely. With this 13,500, I can secure you a 600,000 beachfront home right here in Dubai. And you pay 50% during construction period, and the rest can be financed. 10% now, 10% within a month, and the exciting part, less than 1% monthly over 4 years. And the final 50% can be financed, as I mentioned. Beachfront projects like Jumeirah Bay, like Blue Waters start from 3.1 million, but this one is only 600,000 with huge potential to match those prices. Plus, zero taxes on buying, selling, renting. This is the first beach and jungle project in Dubai with amazing amenities. And this is only 10 to 15 minutes away from downtown. Keep in touch with me, Marine, from Royal Majestic Group, and I will send you all the details you need today.